Welcome back, children. Today we will read part 3 of Tatra Vamiro, where we will see how an unwanted custom separated both of them. So I will give you some of the keywords from this paragraph. That is Vedic, pain, Achrahi, flameless, Ubhau, boring, Achambit, astonished, romantic, excited, Ashanka, doubt, Pratiksharat, waiting. So here in this paragraph it is written, इसी तरह रात बीती दोनों के हृदय व्यथित थे. So somehow the night was over, both of their hearts were in pain. किसी तरह आँच रहित एक ठंडा और उबाऊ दिन गुजरने लगा. Somehow one flameless, cold and boring day was getting over. शाम की प्रतीक्षा थी. तत्रा के लिए मानो पूरे जीवन की अकेली प्रतीक्षा थी. So they both of them were waiting for the evening, and for Tatra it was believed that he is waiting for his entire life. उसके गंभीर और शांत जीवन में ऐसा पहली बार हुआ था. So in his serious and calm life it was happening first time. वह अचंभित था, साथ ही रोमांटिक भी. दिन ढलने के काफी पहले वह लपाती की उस समुद्री चट्टान पर पहुंच गया. So he was astonished and he was excited too. Before the day was over, he already went to the Lapati near to the sea and he sat on the rock. वामिरो की प्रतीक्षा में एक पहाड़ की तरफ भारी था. उसके भीतर एक आशंका भी दौड़ रही थी. So every moment he was waiting for Vamiro, it was like a big mountain for him, but he was still in doubt. अगर वामिरो न आई तो वह कुछ निर्णय नहीं कर पा रहा था. So he was in still doubt whether Vamiro will come or not. So he was not able to decide. सिर्फ प्रतीक्षारत था. He was just waiting for her. बस आस की एक किरण की जो समुद्र की देह पर डूबती किरणों की तरह कभी भी डूब सकती थी. Somehow he was having some hope, like some sun rays are there on the seabeds. So he has some hope that maybe the answer will be yes or no. वह बार बार लपाती के रास्ते पर नजर दौड़ाता. So every time he was looking at the way where Lapati people will come from, that way to the seaside. Now next few keywords from the next paragraph, which is आकृति, shape, तेज कदमों, quick steps, घबराहट, nervousness, हिटक, pause, निश्चल, unmovable, शब्दहीन, wordless. Now we will read the paragraph. सहसा नारियल की झुरमुटों में उसे एक आकृति कुछ साफ हुई, कुछ और उसकी खुशी का ठिकाना न रहा. सचमुच वह वामिरो थी. Suddenly behind from coconut groups one shape, one figure appears. He was thinking that maybe something different, some other image, but he was surprised, he was happy because really she was Vamiro. लगा जैसे वह घबराहट में थी. वह अपने आप को छुपाते हुए बढ़ रही थी, बीच बीच में इधर उधर दृष्टि दौड़ाना न भूलती. It seems like she was scared. Somehow she was trying to hide herself and she was looking here and there in between and she ran. फिर तेज कदमों से चलती हुई तत्रा के सामने आकर हिटक गई. After taking quick steps, she paused near to Tatra. दोनों शब्दहीन थे. कुछ था जो दोनों में भी भीतर बह रहा था. Both were wordless and some emotions were flowing inside them. एक तक निहारते हुए वे जाने कब तक खड़े रहे. सूरज समुद्रों की लहरों में कहीं खो गया था. So they both were watching to each other and the sun was hiding behind the sea waves, means darkness was spreading all over the place. अचानक वामिरो कुछ सचेत हुई और घर की तरफ दौड़ पड़ी. तत्रा अब भी वहीं खड़ा था, निश्चल, शब्दहीन. Suddenly Vamiro felt consciousness and she ran towards her home. But Tatra was still standing over there, wordless, motionless. Next few important keywords from the next paragraph, which is Shakti Pariksha, trial of strength, आयोजन, organized, व्याकुल आंखें, distressed eyes, तरल, liquefied, vival, distraught, कि कर्तव्य विमूढ़, puzzle. Now we will read the next paragraph. रीति अनुसार दोनों एक ही गांव के होना आवश्यक था. वामिरो तत्रा को समझाने बुझाने कई प्रयास हुए किंतु दोनों अडिग रहे. वे नियमतः लापती के उसी समुद्री किनारे पर मिलते रहे. अफवाहें फैलती रही. कुछ समय बाद पासा गांव में पशु पर्व का आयोजन हुआ. पशु पर्व में पशुओं का प्रदर्शन के अतिरिक्त पशुओं से युवकों का शक्ति परीक्षा प्रतियोगिता भी होती है. वर्ष में एक बार सभी गांव के लोग हिस्सा लेते हैं. बाद में नृत्य, संगीत और भोजन का भी आयोजन होता है. शाम से सभी लोग पासा में एकत्रित होने लगे. धीरे धीरे विभिन्न कार्यक्रम शुरू हुए. तत्रा का मन इन कार्यक्रमों में तनिक न था. उसकी व्याकुल आंखें वामिरो को ढूंढने में व्यस्त थी। नारियल के झुंड के एक पेड़ के पीछे से उसे जैसे कोई झांकता दिखा। उसने थोड़ा और करीब जाकर पहचानने की चेष्टा की। वह वामिरो थी जो भयवह सामने आने से झिझक रही थी। उसकी आंखें तरल थी, होंठ कांप रहे थे। तत्रा को देखते ही वह फुटकर रोने लगी। तत्रा विवल हुआ। उसने कुछ बोलते ही न बन रहा था। रोने की आवाज लगातार ऊंची उठती जा रही थी। तत्रा की कर्तव्य विमूढ़ था। So both Tatra and Vamiro, every day they will reach to the same place. They will watch each other. They will not talk, and then they will go back to their home. This feeling was very deep inside them, but this feeling was not liked by the people of Lapati and Khasa. So this humor has been spread throughout the village of their feelings, which was not liked by any of them, because in that time the tradition was there that the people should not marry the other person who belongs to other village. After some time, one animal fair was organized where strong animals will compete with strong animal, and even with the strong person, strong man. But Patra was not participating in this fair, and he just wanted to meet Vamiro. So after the program went over, he saw that Vamiro was coming from behind coconut groups. When he went near to her, he understood that she is Vamiro only, and she was scared to come in front of him. Her eyes were liquefied and she was scared too much. Vamiro mother and villagers insulted Tatra very badly, and thus Vamiro was taken in fear and crying uncontrollably. This made Tatra got angry too much. So Tatra got very angry. To avenge his anger, he took out his sword and he dug the sword inside the land. He was dragging the sword inside the land, and thus, like that, both the land got separated. One of the land got separated where Tatra was slipping away from the land, and he was calling Vamiro, Vamiro. He was trying to jump to the other land, but alas, he couldn't reach there and he fell there. And in other way, Vamiro got mad. She never forgot Tatra. So like this story ends, and after this incident, the tradition also stopped. Now the people can marry from two different villages. So this was the all story all about.